In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the slide time duration in Google Slides using your PC. Understanding how to adjust the timing of each slide can help streamline your presentations and enhance their overall flow, making them engaging for your audience. Let's walk through it together. First, you'll want to head over to Google Slides. You can do this by visiting the Google Slides website, which can be accessed from your favorite web browser. Once you're there, sign into your Google account if you haven't done so already. This step is essential as it gives you access to all your existing presentations, or it allows you to start a new one with ease. Once signed in, you should find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. Here, you'll see a list of your existing presentations and options to create new ones. What we're going to do next is begin a new presentation. Click on the option for a blank presentation, as this gives us a fresh canvas to work on and practice setting our slide durations. With your new blank presentation open, let's move to the top of the screen and click on View. Upon clicking, a drop-down menu should appear. Here you'll find several options, and the one you need to select is Slideshow. This action will initiate the slideshow mode, providing a full screen visual of your slides. As your presentation is playing, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a navigation bar. This is an important tool as it gives you various controls over your presentation. In this area, locate the button with 3 dots. By clicking on these dots, a more detailed menu will open up. Within this menu, there will be an option specifically labeled for setting time duration for your slides. Select this option to customize the length of time each slide remains on screen before progressing to the next. Adjust the duration according to your needs by selecting different time intervals available in the menu. This feature is particularly useful when you want your slides to transition automatically, maintaining a consistent pace throughout your presentation. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully learned how to set the slide time duration in Google Slides. By mastering this functionality, you can refine the delivery of your presentations, ensuring that they capture your audience's attention without having to manually intervene with each slide change. Feel free to experiment with different timings to see what best suits your content. Thank you for watching, and happy presenting!